Honk if I'm hot. I mean, that works, but you're gonna have to do it every single time.
No.
Okay, this is whack. Oh, yes! Taylor, where you at? Oh, there you are. And then, we're not going anywhere, bro. I don't know what you're doing.
I guess this is like...
Can I say hi?
Ocean? Yeah.
Okay. Those are beets. Wait, does apple own beets?
Yeah.
Oh, well, screw that. I'm hot. Leave it at that.
I'm hot. Yeah. Dude, do you have the Sharpie?
No, bro, I don't got anything like.
Does too.
No, I don't.
Adam, I'm pretty sure you have the Sharpie.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, suck it. Hold up. What the freak is that?
The power of white cream.
Of what? What is that, dude? Is that like disease or something? Like, what is this? Don't bring it back.
And if I see
No,
it in my yard,
what? You think you won't use that again? We worked hard on this.
I'm gonna come find you and make you eat it.
It's probably fine.
Church.
Way over to the corner over there. That's where we got a good view. People got a good view of us and our sexiness. Oh, hold it up. Hold it up. I'm just kidding. Don't do it. Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. Don't do it. Are you serious right now? Oh, beep. Why didn't you do it, bro? You just missed your chance. Okay.
It's a boy.
Oh, no. Oh, it's a dude. Don't honk. Don't honk. Okay, good. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, please be a girl.
Is it all dude? Yo, he had the weirdest look on his face, bro. Oh, yes, dude. Let's get it.
Oh,
frick.
we saw the
dude.
sign.
That's
There's
sad.
like, no, not even.
Taylor's turn, dude.
Yeah.
Let's hope he can get one.
Put my socks. I look homeless like that.
Don't take your socks off, though, dude. If a guy honks, you're gonna need your socks on.
He has AirPods.
Boom. That's how you do it, boy. Put your AirPods in, you'll get everything.
Oh, here comes. Oh, rip.
I don't even know how you jump that short. Oh, that sun is so dope right now. It looks like it's sitting on.
Love support.
Plus, wait, hold up. Yo, oh. Okay, car coming. This is Taylor's only chance, dude. For love. Come on.
It's gonna be a boy.
Come on.
Is it a mom?
Yo. I'm so glad he didn't honk.
It's not.
I don't think they can read it. Oh, that's dope.
Yeah,
let's go.
That's one. We got one out.
No! Oh, hold it up.
Oh.
No! Why would you do this? Yo, Taylor's just not very lucky. Here, I'll hold it.
Let's get
Right here.
Oh, it's the exact same car.
Yeah, they turned around.
I'm calling it. Oh, that feels bad, dude.
Other side? I don't care, bro. It's good. We're good. This is so humiliating, dude. I've never done something this stupid in my life.
It's a boy.
No! Oh, that's disgusting. I'm so glad I have socks on. Yo, she didn't even read it. Wow. Why'd they honk at him? No, screw that. They honked at the... Okay. We got more cars coming, bro. Nah, bro. Oh, she was like... She like put her head back. She was like, oh. Why'd she do that?
You got one behind you right there.
Dude, you got tons.
Let's go! Honk. Dang, dude, that was a couple. They gave you that. Yo, let's go! Okay, we're gonna get 3 dubs. 3 more at the end of the night. So far I'm at, what, 2, I think? 3, no, 3. Because there was that guy. That was
Oh, here's a truck.
Oh. You were right. Yeah, they're carrying cargo. I don't even care about that. Got a car. They turn in right. Oh, I turned left. That was very rude. Taylor, get out of the way. Oh, dude. Are you serious right now?
Oh my God.
There's no way.
It's so funny. That was so funny. Oh my goodness.
I want to see it.
He's struggling with depression after that last one.
End it.